जिन्होंने ये कॉन्सेप्ट सोचा कैरेक्टर के लिए और they've written so many lines and they're so funny. So many of them we couldn't use. So somebody asked me a couple of days back that will we see a part 2? I said we have so many lines there. So if the audiences appreciate the film and really like the film, then maybe we'll be able to hear the other lines also.
Actually, the title Rohit told me after he narrated the film. Hindi mein there's a slang word which is bol bachan, which is somebody kuch zyada fenkta hai, who talks too much, who lies. In which in the film my character is one such person, he jhoot bahut bolta hai. But because I play two different characters in this film, one character's name is Abbas Ali and the other is called Abhishek Bachchan. So hence Rohit thought it would be a nice play with the words if we just, instead of keeping it Bol Bachchan, we kept it Bol Bachchan as in my surname.
You know, multi-starrers we do not do because our films should work better. Multi-starrers we do because we like a script and that script demands two characters. So it's never that we should. It's never crossed my mind that we should be doing a solo film or a multi-starrer. As long as your character is very good, as long as the script works and the other guy's character is very good. When Rohit started working on Bol Bachchan, both the characters were fabulous and we could only think of Abhishek doing that role. So we never thought that Singham was a solo hit, so we should be doing a solo. We never get into that. So we are honest to we want to make a good film. If we like a script, we go ahead and do it. And because Golmaal was a great film, made by a great director, I think if the inspiration has come from there, he needs his due credit. And we can never be as good as what he was. But in today's times, the way Rohit has adapted it, it has become completely different because the times have changed. You know, cinema has changed, mindsets have changed, the audiences have changed. But still, I think if we, being in the industry for so many years, are not ethical, we do not expect other people to be ethical.
It's a wonderful compliment that some of our fans think that we look like the Ice Age character. and it's a bigger compliment to know that they can mouth our dialogues and speak Hindi and Marathi. But I think it's very cute and it's great fun, and you know, you have to enjoy platforms like YouTube for endeavors like this, and it's all done in jest and out of love. And I really liked it. I mean, I'll go see Ice Age 4 now, hoping they say Atta Maji Sakati in that. But yeah, I think it's wonderful. I think it's very cute. Okay, this is not actually technically a double role. You know, in film parlance, a double role is two separate characters. In this film, I'm the same person who has two different avatars. He comes up with these two characters. I wouldn't call it a double role. I think it'd be unfair to call it a double role. It's more of a avatar of it. If you've seen the original Golmaal, you know, Amol Palekar creates a twin brother. That's where the similarity starts and ends with Rishi Kapoor's Golmaal and our film. So it's actually one guy trying to play two characters, which I've done before, like in Bunty or Bubbly or in Bluff Master. Which of the twins gave me sleepless nights? Yeah, I can just see your headline tomorrow, right? My twins give me sleepless nights. Actually, they're both very difficult because they're completely different from each other. It's not like they share any common traits. So literally, when Rohit and I used to sit down and discuss how to, you know, etch out the characters, it was like creating two separate characters. So they both are equally difficult.
There is not much of similarity between the original, so I won't call it an Utpal Dutt character. I would call it. I would say it's a completely new character. Even Abhishek's character is not the Amol Palekar character. It's completely different. So as we said earlier, that Golmaal was an inspiration. After that, everything has changed.
You know, it's obviously expected when you go to a set where there's Abhishek, Ajay and Rohit together. You do expect something to happen. There are going to be pranks. But it's not something I expected on my first day. When I landed in Jaipur and I was supposed to do this scene with Abhishek, which was about like 3 pages, and I'm supposed to be extremely angry and say some dialogues to him. After the first 2 takes, actually, I don't know why, but each time I said a dialogue, Abhishek used to just start laughing. And if he didn't, then off camera, Rohit used to start laughing. I don't know why, but it went to the level of, I think, some 27 retakes. It's just a few days ago that Abhishek actually told me that that was just a prank, because all this while I thought something was wrong with me. Maybe I was funny out there, they were laughing at me, or I was doing something wrong, but it's just a prank that they played.